What is going on, everyone? So now I am officially back in Connecticut. I didn't really get to make a farewell Florida video. Things just didn't add up, so I'm just kind of making this one now. But I want to give a huge thank you to everyone down at HP Logic and Adam LZ and Nicole LZ, of course, for allowing us to stay down with them and have a great time this week. So with that, I have a video left over from literally right before we left. It was kind of supposed to be a sponsored video, but it never really got approved in time, so I ended up basically pulling the sponsorship stuff out, and I'm gonna drop it for you guys now so you could basically have a video for today. This is footage, I think, the day before you left for Florida, so don't be confused on the timeline. We'll be going right back to build content. Literally, I'm gonna go film it in I'm leaving in 5 minutes, so we're gonna go bang that out. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. What's up, Franny? Well guys, the day has come. I officially decided to change the wheel bearing on the Saturn. Now you guys know the Saturn is basically the backbone of this channel. I mean, it really holds down my collection of cars, and we can't have her struggling like she has. If you guys noticed in the last couple of videos, my wheel bearing has been screaming and you guys have been begging me to change it, so we're gonna change it. We got the Freshie DriveWorks hub, you know, nice one-piece assembly. This should be pretty easy. We'll put that right there. We got the 3 rear bolts out right here. Now all we have left is this one crusty boy. Look at that. Nice and easy. Butter. There she is. Awesome. Saturn should be all fixed. We're gonna take it for a test drive, but while we still have some sunlight, it's actually pretty nice out. We're gonna go down and visit Mike G. If you guys don't know who Mike G is, he's been in a lot of past videos. He has an R34 GTR and he has R32 GTST and a lot of cool stuff. He just picked up an M3 and we've been kind of busting his ball a little bit because it looks a little ratty. So we want to go down and check it out and see what's up with that.
Oh,
wow. Wow, the wheel bearing. It's quiet.
Wow.
Now, dude, all I have to do is fix the exhaust and she's a Freshie daily again. Woo! For sale. I want to do a mean entry. Ready for this?
Yes, sir.
We good? Is this Mike G's turn?
Yep.
Oh!
That was so bad.
There it is. There it is. Oh, it's not as crusty as I thought.
The clapper.
Looks a lot nicer. Mike, so what is this? What year is this?
97 M3.
97 M3 black. Oh, dude, it's so hot. It looks so crappy in the photos you sent me.
I know, it's so dirty.
So I guess the shell is higher miles, but the engine was fully rebuilt I don't know, 60K ago, so not bad. I mean, it's an S52. As long as you keep oil in this thing, it'll run forever.
It runs really well.
Just prove it.
It's all apart right now.
Yeah, dude, there's no rust in here. The towers are clean. Very, very, very happy for Mike right now. Poor R34, just sitting here. Oh, I'm sorry, RB. I'm sorry. What do we have here?
What do we have where?
Right here.
Oh, that is a Cyan TC.
A TC.
TC. Turbo charged.
Look at this, ready?
This is a stock, I think.
Whose man's?
Is that factory?
What is going on here?
With this?
Yeah.
This is a Scion XB. I put a...
TC?
No, XB.
What's the difference?
One's an X and one has a T.
Oh, okay. Close enough.
No, it's... I don't know. This is a fucking 6-year money pit, to be honest with you.
Why a TC?
Honestly, I don't know. To be completely 130% honest. Yo, he's doing a video!
We live, baby.
Oh, we live, baby. You have anything
Marco,
over there?
Hyundai, my mom's
I'm
Hyundai
dead.
Elantra.
Even DJ probably knows, dude. I've had this car.
Long time since high school.
What's going on here, dude?
Yeah.
I honestly
I feel you. I feel you.
I have no idea why I built this thing.
We still got the stock wheels up on here though.
Yeah.
Makes it feel faster. That's crazy.
Oh, wait, come on. We gotta show them skinny. Right.
Oh my god, are you taking it to the strip? On the
sometimes.
skinnies? Is that for your bike?
These are going on the front.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
You get better traction that way.
I don't know if that's a fact.
I don't know if that is either.
How much power does it make?
It makes over 7.
Over 7?
Yo, Jim. Check out this.
Look at that GoPro.
Hold on.
Check this out.
This is over 700 horsepower. I want to see sheets.
You can see them. How's this GoPro out working out?
What the?
We don't know how that happened. We were just driving it and it blew up, you know.
Life is rough. What?
Factory outfit.
Yeah? It's like a Tesla.
Kind of.
Kind of. Who did it? What is that?
Dave's tuning.
Dave's tuning. Who's Dave?
Dave's a black guy.
Just what's your Instagram so they can look at it? Look at it.
My Instagram is Andrew Santinella. I almost said Boosted Scion.
Pull it up on your phone because I'm not gonna be able to spell that.
I got you. This is my doggy.
Hold on. Oh, there it is.
Kubi!
Go follow him and tell him his car's slow.
Yeah, just do that, please.
Out here.
What are you doing?
Finishing up the cooling system.
Mike G just did what I just did on my E36 because you have to do them in every single E36, and that's refresh your cooling system. DJ, got in the back. We could do a seesaw.
Where do you want me to go?
Back corner, we could do seesaw. Skyline seesaw. Ooh, she hits, Mike G. Let's go do donuts in it. This dude's got some hella drills. How many drill bits it take you to make these, Mike?
Can't hear you.
Well, Mike G got a new M3. It runs. It looks pretty good. You got it for a good deal, and I'm stoked to see this up at the shop now. So, Mike G, it's always a pleasure, homie. Good luck with her.
Thanks.
I can't wait to see her fully together and looking clean. Can you wash this thing and send me a picture? I want to see it all
I
clean.
will. I gotta wash it up.
Wash your ass while you're at it too.
I just did.
Ready to go back to the shop?
Yes, sir.
So Drew actually just went and picked up his new wheels for the season. He's been waiting to get them. He's been waiting to get him for a while now, and he's at the shop with him, and I'm excited to see him on the car. So let's head back. What are you doing? Why you look all sketchy? Open the door. Come on. Come on.
What's up?
What are you guys looking all sketchy about?
We're not.
What's up, big one? Are they on right now?
Don't show them. They're not polished.
Is this the fitment?
The only thing I have to say is I need like 225 side or a 40 sidewall on the front.
Why is
I have 35. Look at it. Look at it. It's just like
so bad.
Dude, that fitment is finally
that's what
tits.
the car looks sick. I'm like now like
Impressed.
I'm
happy for him. Congratulations,
I
Drew.
need to like motivate myself now.
Are you stoked or what?
Swap the shit.
It made me more motivated. It makes me see my car in a new light. So I haven't worked on my car in like 4 months. So
Maybe 5. Yeah. But dude, it looks good though. I'm really happy for you, dude. Look at that angle. That fitment is so good. I sub sent you a toy, Tucker. It says it makes a noise only dogs could hear. Bighorn, can you hear it?
yeah.
Oh, he definitely hears it. Come on.
It's really cool.
Come on.
No, he does.
He definitely hears
that
it.
thing is like-
Bighorn's hearing it. I see his ears moving. You're the biggest dog here.
Hide it behind your back.
If I made a Tucker calendar, would you guys buy it? I'd buy it. Oh, he's... How to roll fenders on over fenders. So while we're in Florida, Drew is saying he's gonna get his SR hitting. Is that true? I'm gonna put it on camera so you have to do it now.
Yeah, you're dumb.
Dolo,
You're gonna try.
Jip, you gonna help me?
Okay, this is what Drew needs to do. He needs to find an IAC and install it.
Make an intake.
And make an intake because his MAF is way too close to his turbo.
Probably just do that first though, and if that works, not get an IAC. Because
Okay.
the IAC is like $146. Randy ain't trying to spend.
$146. Everyone go on Drewtube'S Instagram right here, at Drew Sears, I'll put it right here, and
tell him to get to work. Just keep harassing him. Get to work, Drew. All week. When it comes to S13s, the lower part of their fender, like right down here, which actually supports bumper 2, all it has for mounting point is this one little stamped piece of steel, and they're super flimsy. They always rust out and break, and then your fenders get all loose and goosey, and they're crappy. No one really makes a really good replacement for that until like recently. Some Northeast guys actually came up with a really, really nice bracket that comes with hardware. I think it's like $35 shipped. They're aluminum, they're stupid rigid, they're nice and light, and they're super easy to install.
Compared to the stock ones, because the stock ones bend and they rust like super easy.
You got a stock one in here?
No, they snapped in half.
Yeah, see, they all do, even on this car, which is like stupid clean underneath. So these, I'll put the link in the description. If you have an S13, you need these, dude. 35 bucks shipped with hardware. That's dirt cheap for like what you get. So I'll show you this side because it's already on, but this ain't going nowhere. Such a must for an S13. Drewtube, what are you doing?
Attempting to polish these. This is, of course, I'm doing the most duffed of the 4. This is the most duffed of the 4, but gonna get these re-powder coated.
Logan Steel, here we come.
There's gonna be some kid out there like that polishes wheels for a living that's just gonna like critique the crap out of me right now. Like, yo, dude, you're supposed to go left to right, now up and down, something like.
You're doing great, Drew.
Thanks.
All right, guys, Benny had to stop by. He needed a speed sensor for his S14, which is coming out insane. We'll go over it soon. You guys will see. You remember his white one.
Want to see the video?
Shout out to my Punjabi boys out here.
Hey, Six Gang.
I'm so excited for that car. Tandem's the season, Benny. Tandem's the season. Little polish, they're looking good. It just makes me love Drew's paint now. Like, it doesn't look that boof anymore. And he's finally putting his wide body to use. Wide body. But, Drew, I'm so happy for you, man.
Thank you. Now I get to switch out this sweet grip oil. Hi there, Jimmy and DJ, get back.
Okay, we got to put some like circumstances on the line though. What should I make?
Can we like make a? I'd say let's make a wage in, like to go both ways. If I don't get it hitting in time,
There needs to be a consequence. You have to eat a backwood. You have to literally eat one.
I'll throw up.
I know.
And if I win, if I get the car running,
Get the car running. What do you want? If Drew gets it running, half decent, driving around, should we make custom Drewtube tee?
Hey, flex. Hey, now I have like motive to do
So
this.
we'll do that.
I got the whole week off, so
We'll do a custom Drewtube tee.
I might call in some reinforcement. JP S14.
I won't mind as long as she's hitting.
Exactly.
All right, guys, you heard it here first. If Drew doesn't get his car running decent by the time I come back, he's eating a backwood.
And if I win,
Drewtube apparel
coming soon.
coming soon.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was definitely a lot of us goofing around, but we're going to go down to see today if Drew actually did get anything done on his coupe. Fingers crossed. If not, Drew's eating a backwood. But that's about it. Hope you guys liked today's video, and I cannot wait to show you guys everything that came in and everything we're going to get done this week. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.